frenemy, enemy. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. Frenemy, enemy. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. Frenemy, enemy. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. Frenemy, enemy. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck.
Hi guys, ArchieLuxury on Elite Luxury, your one-stop shop for luxury videos. Guys, guess what's happened? I just got the DHL man. He's turned up with a parcel. Let's take a look. So I'm just getting my fabulous, this is actually my S-Linger knife. They're a watch supply. They sell bits for watches. So this is actually quite a nice knife. See how I can open this best. So I'll just take off my shipping form. I'll keep that. It's always nice to keep my shipping form there. Yep, there we go. There we go. That is beautiful. That is very cool. Now I'm going to unpack this here. Here we go. We're going to open this box. What have I got? Well, let's have a look. We'll just cut this open. This is actually quite nicely. Oh, it's not. Oh, it's just cardboard. It's not that well. I'm going to be careful. Better be careful not to cut into the item. Let's have a look. You've got to be careful with this stuff. You know, you don't want to damage your item. It could be a disaster, an absolute disaster if you're not careful. You know, you just gotta just cut, measure twice, cut once, don't you? That's kind of the saying there. Okay, we're just getting this done. What is it here? What is it? What has the pontiff bought? Dear me, what can the matter be? What has the pontiff bought there? Let's have a look. We'll just change angle. Okay, get that off there. And what is it? Let's have a look. What is this? Okay, we'll just put that to the side. What is this? It's some sort of box or something. Let's have a look. Just use this knife to cut this. Okie dokie. Get this off. Get this off here. Get this off. It's some sort of briefcase. Archie, you haven't bought another briefcase, have you? I'm not sure. So let's have a sticky beak. Oh, I thought it was okay. Maybe okay. The color looked different in the video. In the. Oh, actually, that's quite nice. It's okay. Let's have a look here. What is it? It's a president. Classeur. It's a president Classeur. President Classeur. So, what is this case here? So we've got, well, it's a president. It's a briefcase. That's what it is. A briefcase. And it used to belong to No. Okie dokie. You might have run into hard times. Look at that. That is. Oh, it's gone sticky. Okie dokie. That's what happens with. just inside there. It's gone a bit sticky. Yeah, you get that. You do get that. It's, what do I think? It's a beautiful, the condition is actually amazing. It is actually amazing condition. It is amazing condition. I think what we need to do is, to get this looking absolutely beautiful, is give these locks a going over and a little bit of leather cream to bring out the beautiful gold. This is a gold color here, so it kind of looks a bit browny, but it is the lovely gold. That's what it should be. I think this will turn magic. This will be a very much a magic purchase from Japan. Look, it's actually quite ugly because it's a little bit let down on a few factors there, but it's actually quite beautiful. It's actually quite beautiful. It is beautiful. It's nice, Nick. Yeah, I can't. No, it is actually quite nice. That is a beautiful case from Louis Vuitton. So there we go, guys. That's another briefcase. It's the Louis Vuitton President Classeur in the gold. Now, I reckon this is going to come up a mozza. I got to be honest with you. So what would I do to clean this? Let's have a look at it. So for starters, I'm going to use some leather conditioner. This is just a leather conditioner. So this is leather conditioner for leather that is painted. Okay, because you've got natural leather conditioners. That's for if it's a natural hide. And you've got painted leather. So this one here, it gives it waterproofing, preserves, and conditions. It's leather conditioner, glitz leather conditioner. I'm going to use that. And for the brass itself, I've got this is actually some Brasso. I'm going to use this Brasso here to clean it up. Now, the thing is, you've got to do it very carefully. If you get a toothbrush, you're going to get it all over the beautiful leather. The way you clean this up is with a toothbrush. That's what you use, is a toothbrush. So let's see what the results come out once we give this a clean. It looks a bit ugly, to be completely honest with you. As it is now, it's in remarkable condition, but it's a bit fugly. I reckon with gleaming gold, this will absolutely pop. It'll pop. So, Stu, I'll make another video for that, and I will see you in the next one.
Friend of me, any me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. Friend of me, any me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. Friend of me, any me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. Friend of me, any me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me.
I'm about to go Goku. Leave on my head is red like old news. Yeah, trying to get the green like it's Whole Foods. Couldn't take my style and now you so blue. Yeah, now we don't need know you. Your hometown we don't need go to. Trying to get it worldwide, global. Looking like I can show you. The killing this is go-to. Skrilla, the whole man killer. Life so free, can't no man kill 'em. Came from the bottom, was a broke man, girl. Still move like 10 man with no found with them. Boom. Pardon me, I get hectic. Ooh, I survive through the wreckage. You should go look for the exit. New sheriff in town, I get a little reckless. Missed the memo, go check the message. I ate then came back for seconds. I hate seeing your fake little necklace. Lifestyle decrepit, I should probably expect this. Too much gas.